Alright, we're back. Starting on number 21. Make sure everything's set up correctly. 21. We ended up last doing FOIL, and we are starting again on the last few FOIL problems. Okay, so here we go. FOIL. 1 times 1. 1 times -5. 6 times -1. And negative times negative is a positive. In this case is positive. 6 times 5 is 30. A times a is a squared. I wonder, combine like terms here. Negative 11a plus 30a squared. Now I'm pretty sure if you change the order it'll still be correct, but I believe they will want it. I believe it doesn't matter. Just can type it just how it is. 1 minus 11a plus 30a, and then shift 6 to get that square, the power square. What happened? Did you check the answer? There you go. That's weird. Sometimes it doesn't work. We have the freshman's dream. Let's not fall for the freshman's dream. 22. We have 6y minus 2 times 6y minus 2. The freshman's dream is to say that answer is 6y squared minus 2 squared. That's the freshman's dream answer. It is never that easy. It is never as easy as that. Nothing is that easy. Not even English class. 6y times 6y is 6 times 6 is 36, and y times y is y squared. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12, and there's a y. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12y. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. We have 36y squared minus 24y plus 4, and that was combining these two like terms. 3, 6y, shift 6, get the power, 2, right arrow, minus 24y plus 4, enter. Nice job. Alright, we're moving on to 23. Oops. 23. Okay, 23. Ooh, this is beyond FOIL. We have x minus 7 times x squared minus 2x plus 3. Blue. So if I'm going to multiply everything by x, it's just going to add another x to everything. So this is not that bad in the sense, as long as you know that if you're multiplying by x, just adding another x. So it's x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x. All these multiplied by x is just going to add another x to it. Now the minus 7. Minus 7x squared. Minus 7 times minus 2 is plus, addition. I mean, negative times negative is a positive. 7 times 2 is 14, and there's only one x between the two. Negative 7 times positive 3 is a negative 21. Let's combine like terms. X cubed. Now I have a negative 2x squared and a negative 7x squared, which adds up to a negative 9x squared. We have a 3x plus 14x, which adds up to a 17x, and the minus 21 is last. Let's type that in. X to the power of 3, right arrow, minus 9x to the power of 2, right arrow, plus 17x minus 21. Enter. Fantastic. Getting through these fast. 23, 24 is next. FOIL again. X plus 19 times 2x plus 1. I really hope You guys probably aren't going to watch this video to hear this part. But I really hope that you're not doing these problems this slow. You should be able to solve these problems faster than I can solve them. Faster than this video. But if you're struggling on solving these problems where the video is faster than you, then you need to practice more. You need to do more of these problems. Have to take a drink. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times 1, x. 19 times 2x. Ooh, 19 times 2 is a tough one. 38x. Always double check that one with the calculator for you guys, just in case. 19 times 1 is 19. Combine like terms, well, that's easy. 1 plus 38 is 39. 2x squared plus 39x plus 19 is the answer. Let's type it in. 2x squared, right arrow, plus 39x plus 19, enter. There it is, excellent. Moving on. Freshman's dream again. Don't fall for the freshman's dream. Make sure you write it down twice. Oh man, I got burpees. If you say the answer is 5y squared plus 4 squared, you're going to be automatically wrong. That is falling for the freshman's dream. Get away from FOIL. 5y times 5y is 25y squared. 5y times 4 is 20y. 4 times 5y is 20y. 4 times 4 is 16. Combine like terms. 25y squared plus 40y plus 16 is the answer. 25y squared, right arrow, plus 40y plus 16. Enter. Good job. Number 31. Ooh, this is a big one. X minus 3 times 9x squared minus 6x plus 2. X minus 3 times 9x squared minus 6x plus 2. Alright. Here we go. X times 9x is 9x cubed. X times 9x is 9x cubed. X times negative 6x is minus 6x squared. X times 2 is 2x. Negative 3 times 9 is negative 27x squared. Negative 3 times negative 6. Negative times negative is positive. Don't fall for that mess. Don't mess up that. 18x. Negative 3 times positive 2 is a negative 6. Combine like terms. Well, there's only one cube. There's two squares, which is negative 6 plus negative 27. That adds up to 33 x squared. Next is 2x plus 18x. That's easy. 20x. And a minus 6. Let's type that in. 9x shift 6 third power minus 33x shift 6 squared, right arrow, plus 20x minus 6. Enter. Yay, good job. Need to make a new page here. We're now on number 30. Wait. 29. Let's see, why did I mess up? 21, 22, 23. Oh, 24. the 24. So this one should be 25. And this one will be 26, 25, 26, just like that. 24, 25, 26. Now we're going to 27. 27. Okay, a student is instructed to... Oh, that's the freshman's dream. X squared plus 9 squared is the freshman's dream. So the student is definitely wrong because you fell for the freshman's dream. Let's see, the student should add the 3's instead of multiplying them. No, there's a missing term. That's definitely true. There's definitely a missing term in the middle, the outer and the inner. You cannot square a binomial or only binomials. Nope, it's definitely C. It's missing the middle term. Correct. The student forgot the O and the I terms. Yep, get the FOIL. In fact, the student didn't even FOIL, didn't get the F or the L. He just did the freshman's dream. These are conjugates. So the outer and inner are going to cancel each other out. So x times x is x squared, and positive 2 times negative 2. Positive 2 times negative 2 is a negative 4, not a positive 4. Definitely false. Okay. Next question. FOIL. Alright, here we go. 29. It is x plus 4 times x plus 5. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times 5 is 20. Combine the outer and inner like terms. Like term, like term. 5 plus 4 is 9 x's. There's our answer. X squared, right arrow, plus 9x plus 20, enter. Yay, nice work. Alright, 30. Another FOIL. I think all these are going to be FOIL from now on, because we're in the FOIL part of this homework. Lots of FOIL. So we got x minus 2, x plus 5, x times x is x squared, x times 5 is 5x, negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. This simplifies to x squared plus 3x minus 10. That was combining the 5x minus 2x to get 3x. Type in the answer, x squared plus 3x minus 10. Enter that in. Fantastic. I think I need to do 31 on a new page. 31 is 3x minus 9, x plus 5. Let's do that one. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 5 is 15x. Negative 9 times x is negative 9x. Negative 9 times 5 is negative 45. Let's combine like terms. 3x squared. 15 minus 9 is 6x minus 45. Let's type the answer in. 3x squared plus 6x minus 45. Enter. Perfect score. Fantastic. We got 32. I believe it's the exact same problem. 32. Ooh. It is y minus 5, 6y minus 9. Let's do this. y times 6y is 6y squared. Y times negative 9 is negative 9y. Negative 5 times 6y is negative 30y. Negative 5 times negative 9 is a positive. Negative times negative is positive 45. Don't get the negative positives mixed up. 6y squared minus 39y plus 45. Let's see if that's the answer. Should be. 6y squared minus 39y plus 45. Yay! 33. FOIL again. 5x plus 6. 6x minus 1. Here we go. Foiling these. 5x times 6x is 30x squared. 5x times negative 1 is negative 5x. 6 times 6x is 36x. And 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Combine like terms, we get 30x squared. This is negative 5 plus 36 is the same thing as 36 minus 5, which is 31x. And minus 6 at the end. 30x squared, 31x minus 6. Got it right. 34. Number 34. This is going to be x plus 3y. Oops. X plus 3y. 8x minus y. Let's FOIL this one. So x times 8x equals 8x squared. X times negative y is negative xy. 3y times 8x is 24xy. And 3y times negative y is a negative 3y squared. Combine like terms, we have 8x squared. These are the like terms outer and inner, so we got negative 1xy plus 24xy is going to be 23xy's minus 3y squared. Let's type this answer in. 8x squared plus 23xy minus 3y squared. Enter. Fantastic. Moving on. 35. FOIL 9c plus 2 times 8c minus 1. Okay. FOIL again. 9 times 8 is 72. And c times c is c squared. 9c times negative 1 is just negative 9c. 2 times 8c is 16c. And 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Combine like terms, we get 72c squared. Negative 9 plus 16 is a positive 7c. That's a tough one. Yep. Positive 7c. Minus 2. Right. 72c squared plus 7c minus 2. Enter. Nice work. Nice work. Next question. 36 is x plus 10 times x plus 10. Do not fall for the freshman's dream. It is not x squared plus 10 squared. Do not fall for the freshman's dream. X times x equals x squared. X times 10 is 10x. 10 times x is 10x. And 10 times 10 is 100. Combine like terms, we get x squared plus 10x plus 10x is 20x. And we tack on that plus 100. X squared, right arrow, plus 20x plus 100. Enter. Well done. 37. Another freshman's dream. 8a minus 3 times 8a minus 3. Don't fall for the freshman's dream. It is not 8a squared minus 3 squared. Never the freshman's dream. 8a times 8a is 64a squared. 8a times negative 3 is negative 24a. Negative 3 times a is negative 24a. And negative times negative is a positive. 3 times 3 is a 9. Combine like terms. We have negative 24 plus negative 24, which is going to be a negative 48 a's plus 9. Keep on. My hands are getting tired. Keep on hitting the erase button. Minus 48a plus 9. Enter. There it is. Next question. 38. Freshman's dream again. Dang. 9a minus 7 times 9a minus 7. I'm going to do this one in orange. Just feel like an orange. 9a times 9a is 81a squared. 9a times negative 7 is negative 63a. Negative 7 times 9 is negative 63a. Negative times negative is a positive. 7 times 7 is 49. 81a squared. Combine like terms. Negative 63 plus negative 63 is negative 126a plus 49. Type that in. 81a squared, right arrow, minus 126a plus 49. Enter. Well done. 39. Freshman's dream again. Holy moly. 5x plus 8 times 5x plus 8. Alright, we'll do this one in blue. 5x times 5x is 25x squared. 5x times 8 is 40x. And 8 times 5x is 40x. And 8 times 8 is 64. Combine like terms in the middle. You get 25x squared plus 80x plus 64. Type that in. 25x squared plus 80x plus 64. Enter. Yay, we got it. Let me go to a new page. Black. Dang, another freshman's dream? So many of these. 3m plus 8n. Gotta write it twice. 3m plus 8n. There we go. 3m times 3m is 9m squared. 3m times 8n. 3 times 8 is 24. M times n is m times n. Okay, 8 times 3 is 24 again. N times m, well, I'll just put it in the right order. mn. And then 8 times 8 is 64. N times n is n squared. Combine like terms. 24 plus 24 is a 48 mn 64 n squared. Let's type that in. 9m squared plus 48 mn plus 64 n squared. Enter. Nice work. I think we're on the last problem. Number 40. It's another one of those freshman dream. Freshman's dream. Okay. Number 41. You start with writing down the definition of exponents, which is the base, and the base is 9x minus 6y. Gotta write the base times the base, so we write the base twice. Do not fall for the freshman's dream. This is not 9x squared minus 6x squared. That is never the answer. That is why it's called the freshman's dream. To do it super fast, super easy. You can't do it. 9 times 9 is 81. X times x is x squared. 9 times negative 6 is negative 54xy. X times y. Oops. Negative 6 times 9 is negative 54 again. And y times x, same as x times y. Negative times negative is a positive. 6 times 6 is 36. Y times y is y squared. Let's combine like terms. 81x squared. So negative 54 plus negative 54 is negative 108xy. Oh, my hands are getting sweaty. Gotta take a break. Good thing I'm done. Until I get after I'm done with this. I have to get it right. 81x squared minus 108xy plus 36y. Oops. Y squared. Enter. Whew. Of course, last thing you should do, and periodically while doing your homework, because you don't want to lose your progress, you should save your work, because if you don't have good internet access, it is not going to be saving it constantly. There's a save button right there for a reason. Click on that save button. Make sure you save your progress. You don't want to lose all that work. You see how it didn't save it? Showed missing problems. So if I would have closed the window without saving it, I would have lost all those problems. If you have really good internet access, sometimes it'll save automatically. But my internet kind of sucks. It's gonna take me forever to upload this video. 100%. That's what I want everybody else in my class to get. 100% grade. So that's all for this. I'll see you guys in the next video.